Is your closet cramping your style? Tired of sharing the bathroom sink? Consider a home equity loan. With a home equity loan, you can turn any project wish into a reality. Here's how to get started. First, prioritize your improvement projects to determine which is most important to you. Second, determine how much it will cost to complete your project. Developing a budget and exploring cost options will help you learn what materials you need and who's the right person for the job. Plus, it provides a guide to keep you on track. Lastly, put your home's equity to work for you. With a home equity line of credit, you can use funds as you need them, and you only pay interest on what you use. Our team of local loan officers is ready to help find the perfect home loan solution for you, because we know there's no place like home. Visit tvacreditunion.com to learn more.